What are pudding keycaps? These are double-shot PBT keycaps sent to me from LTC on Amazon. Pudding-style keycaps have a translucent design that allows more of the keyboard's LEDs to shine through the sides compared to solid-colored ones. These are compatible with MX-style switches and come in a set of 108 keys. When you plug in the keyboard, you can see that the light shines through it and looks very pretty. Here it is compared to a non-pudding keycap set.
Today's keycap is Baby Yoda. So this adorable space goblin is made by a company called Archetype MK, and he is loaded with really cool details. For example, the actual keycap is his basket. And I did get this for my girlfriend, but I kind of want to keep it.